Vvdi prog used. Hold on, let me pause this. Vvdi prog used to read Motorola 9S12 DT 256 secured. I was able to read the flash. Everything's good. EEPROM already generated the keys from the EEPROM. Backed up the flash and the EEPROM. And this came out of a this one came out of 2011 Dodge Sprinter. Unfortunately, the diagrams that were all over the net, they didn't work, and there were minor differences in the boards. I have two EISs here, and only way I was able to read it is by removing the chip. Maybe now that I have it off, if I have time, I will measure the points and see if I can find new points on the other side of the board that will actually be compatible. Make some diagrams for it. This is for a 2011 Dodge Sprinter. Very big mess, but it had to be done. I didn't find the correct diagrams, so I had to take the chip out, solder the chip onto the board so I would be able to make the connections, because they're too close to each other, the pins. It's like impossible. I tried to put wires, it's little thin wires, these little guys right here. Right. These little guys right here, and they were too thick to be on top of there, so I had to take it out, solder it, and make the key. A lot of work. Couple hours already doing this. Alright guys, thank you.